channel18fashion.com to find out who's wearing who in Tinseltown and how to look just like them for a fraction of the cost. It's so easy. On the website, click on the photo of your favorite celeb to see what they are wearing. Then follow the simple guide on the right to see our fashion pick that will have you dressed like a star for a lot less cash. Happy shopping!
Compassion for others. Pass it on.
Why pay more when Zoom.com has lower fees than ever before? Ngayon, send any amount sa Pilipinas for only $4.99. That's any amount for only $4.99. Stop waiting in line. Zoom it online for only $4.99.
On Kababayan LA, we are talking about a very serious topic today, slavery and trafficking. At kasama po natin ang mga eksperto in this subject. Nena is an expert because he survived it herself. And Nena, we were telling them your story earlier. We just want to clarify, Nena, you're more comfortable speaking English, no? Galing ka sa Cebu ba?
Sa Cebu, sa Bisaya talaga.
So pag Bisaya talaga, mas maano magsalita English rather than Tagalog. So Nena, to continue your story, when you were there, sinasaktan ka, pinapatulog ka sa dog bed, halos hindi ka kumakain, hindi ka makalabas ng bahay, you can't talk to anyone. Alam mo ba na may karapatan ka, na hindi normal yung situation mo? Did you know that you were being trafficked?
I know that it's not normal, but I don't know about traffic.
Okay. So, anong iniisip mo ng mga panahon na yon? Titiisin mo na lang? Hindi ka ba natatakot na baka bigla ka na lang may mangyari sa'yo? They were hitting you?
Ang isip ko ay I want to win I want to win my employer to be good to me. So I'm trying to do the best I can.
So you still try to please them?
Yeah. So I write some cards. Before I go to bed, there are cards to be thrown. So I took the card and I make something pretty, some words, so that they will feel and they will change her attitude.
Okay.
So I always emphasize the good thing that she did. So I will emphasize so that she will continue to do good.
Did it work?
Oh no.
It must have been hell living in that house for that long.
Yeah.
But her situation, I guess, is not isolated, Heidi, because she didn't know about trafficking. She knew that something was wrong, but she couldn't pinpoint. Do most traffic victims know that they are being trafficked?
No, most of the time hindi nila alam na biktima sila. Alam nila something is wrong, like what Nena said. Pero yung nangyayari is hindi nila alam yung ginagawa sa kanila is an actual crime here in the United States.
To clarify that, we may have some people watching right now. What are the telltale signs of someone being trafficked?
Marami. So one of the more common signs is kinukuha yung passport mo, tataguin nila, usually for safekeeping.
Okay.
A lot of times isolated ka from sa pamilya mo or hindi ka makausap, like with Nena's situation, hindi mo makausap people around you. Tapos yung psychological coercion, yun yung pinaka-strongest piece. Kasi makikita mo, they're usually not alone. Hindi sila makalabas. Kung makalabas sila, bantay.
May kasama.
And tapos monitored yung letters nila, your phone calls nila. Tapos yung language skills. Usually, if it's a barrier, sa mga kababayan naman natin, yung English hindi masyadong mahirap.
Right.
Pero merong iba, mahirapan din. Lagi silang ma-interpreter. Yun yung parang kung ano man yung sinasabi, hindi na i-interpret.
That's the form of control, right?
That's the form of control.
Yeah.
Tapos, one of the strongest pieces is yung threats. Tinethreaten yung pamilya sa back home. Tinethreaten ka dito with immigration or sasampang ka ng kaso, sasabihin nila na pag lumabas ka, walang maniniwala sa'yo, wala kang papeles, ako, US citizen ako.
Right.
Wala kang karapatan dito.
Were you threatened? Ano yung mga threat? What did they tell you?
So in case if I will escape, she told me that I'll be locked up and I cannot see my children or family forever.
I would think that Nena was still lucky because after a year of living in that situation, somebody helped her. But PWC, what kind of relief or reliefs are available to people that are being trafficked? Paano nyo sila matutulungan?
So usually, pagka after na-identify sila, tapos na-convince na mag-come out para baguhin yung sitwasyon nila, so ang inaano namin, nagpa-file kami ng mga cases. And then also, kung wala silang papel or undocumented, then they can file for a traffic visa. T-visa yon. So mahaba din yung proseso.